gonna be making another dessert, but this one is a very, 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 very delicious dessert. Today, we're going to be making chocolate balls with biscuits. أهلا بكم في فور كريزي كيدز. شيف حنين عندكم النهارده، والنهارده هنعمل حلويات تاني، بس مش أي حلويات حلوة، النهارده هنعمله أحلى حلويات خالص، هنعمله كور الشيكولاته بالبسكويت. So let's get started and see our ingredients for today. تعالوا معنا نبدأ ونشوف المكونات بتاعتنا النهارده. But before we start, make sure you give a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet joined Four Crazy Kids. Like and write in the comments what you think of today's video and what other recipes you want to see. قبل ما نبدأ اشتركوا في القناه، اعملوا لايك كبير كده، اكتبوا تحت في الكومنتات ايه رأيكم في الحلقة بتاعتنا النهارده وايه عايزين تشوفوا تاني. Now let's get started and see how to make our delicious recipe for today. So our ingredients for today are 3 big spoons of cocoa powder, 3 معالق كبار من الكاكاو, كريمة, شوكولاتة, sweetened condensed milk, لبن محلي, 2 packs of biscuits, بالبسكويت, and some yummy nuts. These nuts are optional because some people are allergic, so they don't have nuts. So if you want nuts, you can have them. If you don't want nuts, you don't have to. عندنا هنا بندق. البندق ده اختياري، لو عايزين تحطوا حطوا، لو مش عايزين ما تحطوش. So let's get started and go start making our delicious recipe. تعالوا معنا نبدأ ونعمل الكور الشوكولاتة بتاعتنا النهارده. Right here we have emptied out our biscuits and we put them in the food processor. هنا عندنا البسكوت بتاعنا فضيناه هنا عملناه في الخلاط and we're going to blend them together وهنضربهم مع بعض. And we want to make this so it's smooth and very soft and very thin. هنخلطوهم مع بعض لغاية ما يبقى ناعم so that when we mix it all together it's very soft and smooth. So let's blend. Let's get blending. That. 1, 2, 3. Go. Now our biscuits are all soft and smooth. دلوقتي البسكوت بتاعنا بقى ناعم بقى التكشر بتاعته صح. Now we're going to pour it into our bowl. وهنكبوه في البولة بتاعتنا. Like so. Very slowly. That's so cool. Make sure you like. If you haven't yet liked, make sure you like. A lot of cookies. Now we're going to be putting our nuts. دلوقتي هنحط البندق بتاعنا في الخلاط. I'm going to pour them very slowly. Be careful. That. And we're also going to blend them. This one. Ready? 1. Come on. 1, 2. Now our nuts are all done. دلوقتي البندق بتاعنا كله خلص. Now let's put everything all together. تعالوا مع بعض نحط كل حاجة مع بعض. So first we're going to add our nuts. أول نحط البندق. Wee. Now let's add our cocoa powder. دلوقتي هنحط الكاكاو. Chocolatey. Now let's mix. Mixy. Oh, and before I start, my hands are washed and I'm wearing gloves so that when I mix everything together with my hands, everything stays clean. قبل ما ابدأ انا غاسلة ايدي وبرضه لابسة gloves عشان لما اجي اقلب كل حاجة مع بعض تكون كل حاجة clean. Just I'm gonna keep mixing and mixing and mixing. Make sure you like in 5, 4, 3, تنسوش تعملوا لايك في 5 4 3 2 1. Make sure you hit that big thumbs up. ما تنسوش برضه تكتبوا في الكومنتات. أهم حاجة إن انتوا تكتبوا في الكومنتات. Don't forget to write in those comments. And also, if you want to check out more of our videos, you can click up here and you will find more of our videos. لو عايزين تشوفوا حاجات تانية احنا عملناها أو الجيلو كيك اللي احنا عملناها تقدروا تدوسوا هنا فوق وهيطلع لكم الجيلو كيك بتاعتنا. If you have missed our jello cake video, you can also find it up there. Now that we mixed everything very well, we're going to add our sweetened and condensed milk. دلوقتي احنا قلبنا كل حاجة مع بعض. نحط الحليب المحلي مع بعض. ووهو ياي! يلا بينا يلا. Come on, go 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 go. Heart. And now we're going to mix. Okay, from the bottom up. Like that. It smells so good. ريحتها حلوة جدا. Mixing. And now, let's go in our hands. أنا مع بعض نخش مع بعض في إيدينا. Here. We're going to mix. Like that. It's always very good to go into with your hands so that you make sure everything is all mixed together. أحسن حاجة إن انتوا تخشوا بإيديكوا يعني لما تيجوا تقلبوا عشان كل حاجة تعمل mix مع بعضها. What our mixer looks like after we've mixed everything all together. دي شكل الميكس بتاعنا بعد ما قلبنا كل حاجة مع بعض. Now let's start making our chocolate balls. تعالوا مع بعض نبدأ نعمل كور الشوكولاتة بتاعتنا. So while you're making your balls, like while you're mixing, and if it's getting a little dry, you can add a little bit of milk so that it's not as dry as before. وانتوا بتعملوا لو لقيتوها معاكم ناشفة شوية ممكن تزودوا عليها شوية لبن عشان تخليها طرية شوية. Going to make our balls like that. Rolly, 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 rolly. So ball, I'm gonna put it right there. That's one ball. We're going to make another one. We're going to be finished making our balls and we'll be back after they're all done. Another ball. And let's make more. They smell really good. ريحتهم حلوة جدا. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. Make sure to share with all your family and friends. ما تنسوش تعملوا share مع كل الناس حواليكم. And if you don't know how to subscribe, you can tell us in the comments and we can help you subscribe. لو انتم مش عارفين ازاي تعملوا subscribe تقدروا اشتراك تقدروا تكتبوا تحت في الكومنتات واحنا نساعدكم ازاي تعملوا اشتراك في القناه. We're going to be finishing our balls and we'll be back when they're all done. هنروح نكمل الكور بتاعتنا وهنرجع لكم لما كلهم يخلصوا. Now that we finished making our chocolate balls right here, as you can see, we had some extra batter, so we put it in this pan so that we can have a different design than our chocolate balls. دلوقتي هنا عندنا كور الشوكولاتة كلها خلصت وكان فاضل لنا زيادة فحطيناهم هنا عشان يدونا شكل تاني غير الكور. Now let's go make our sauce so that we can dunk in our chocolate balls. تعالوا معنا نروح نعمل الصوص عشان نغوص الكور بتاعتنا في الصوص. Let's go. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. And if you haven't yet joined for Crazy Kids, make sure you subscribe. ما تنسوش تشتركوا في القناه لو لسه ما دخلتوش فور كريزي كيدز. اعملوا لايك كبير كده واكتبوا تحت في الكومنتات ايه رايكم في الحلقه بتاعتنا وعايزين ايه تشوفوه تاني. Now let's go. Our chocolate sauce, الصوص الشوكولاته بتاعتنا. We're going to be using cream. هنستخدم كريمه and we're going to be using chocolate. وهنستخدم شوكولاته. So first we're going to add our cream right here into our pan so that it like melts. هنزود الكريمه لغايه ما تدوب كده وتبقى melt. And then we'll add our chocolate. بعد كده نزود عليها الشوكولاتة. Like that. And it all goes. I'm just gonna like see like right here, you can see it's starting to melt. Now like as you can see as we're mixing, it's starting to melt. زي ما انتم شايفين واحنا بنقلب بدأت تسيح. And then after this is all done, we're going to pour it over our chocolate melt. بعد ما دي تسيح هنزودها على الشوكولاتة عشان الشوكولاتة بتاعتنا تسيح وتبقى حلوة جدا. Also, tell us in the comments, what was your favorite Chef Haneen recipe? And also tell us, what other recipes you want to see? I want to be making more videos so I can tell you how to make the recipes that you want to make. ما تنسوش في الكومنتات برضه تقولوا لنا ايه الاكله بتاعت شيف حنين اللي عجبته اكتر اكله، وبرضه قولوا لنا ايه الاكله اللي انتوا عايزين تشوفوها عشان اعملها لكم. It's almost melted. Look at that, so melted. And you can also do a little dance with it. You want to always, whenever you're cooking, to always have fun. So that whatever you make comes out really, really good. وانتوا بتعملوا الاكل على طول لازم تكونوا بتعملوا وانتوا فرحانين عشان الاكل يطلع كله كويس. We're going to keep mixing until it becomes all melted. هنبدأ نقلب لغاية ما تبقى melted. Also, whenever you're near the oven, or the stove, make sure you have an adult with you. It's very important to have adult supervision. It's to be safe. All the recipes I'm doing, I always have my mom behind the camera so that everything goes safe and right. I'm going to keep mixing until it's all melted like that, as you can see. It also smells really good. ريحتها برضه حلوة جدا. And now we're going to pour it over a chocolate. دلوقتي هنروح نكبها فوق الشيكولاته بتاعتنا. Let's go. Now our crema is all melted and great. دلوقتي الكريمة بتاعتي ساحت كلها. Now we're going to add our chocolate. هنزود عليها الشوكولاتة. Very, very careful. It's very hot. Now we're going to mix until our chocolate's all melted. Oh, it's starting to melt. That's so cool. All cooking and all sweets that you make has so many signs and so many different things that you can learn from it. كل الأكلات أو الحلويات اللي أي حلويات بتعملها تبقى على طول فيها حاجة نتعلمها. Changing color. Looking like chocolate. Chocolate. Going to keep mixing until all melts. هنفضل نقلب لغاية ما كلها تسيح. Now our chocolate sauce is all done. دلوقتي شوفوا الشوكولاتة بتاعتنا خلصت. Now let's cover our chocolate balls with our sauce. تعالوا مع بعض نكفر الشوكولاتة مع بعض بالصوص. So we're gonna take a little bowl and put in our chocolate like that. I'm gonna take it out. Whoa. And we're going to put it in our tray like that. Now we take another one, put it in. Doesn't that look yummy? حلو جدا. And we're going to put it in our tray like that. We're going to be finishing making our chocolate balls and we'll be back when they're all done. هنروح نكمل نعملهم cover وهنرجع لكم لما نخلصهم. Stay tuned. Now that we've covered both our balls and our yummy little cake right here with chocolate, we're going to decorate them with some nuts and some sprinkles. هنا عندنا كفرنا جوه الشوكولاته والكيكه بتاعتنا بالشوكولاته. هنحط عليهم بندق وسبرينكلز. دي اختياري، مش لو مش عايزين تحطوا ما تحطوش. These are optional. If you don't want to put it, you don't have to. So let's put on some nuts. نحط شويه بندق. Let's put some sprinkles. Colorful. كده حلو جدا. Let's put some more nuts on another one. That. And another sprinkles. We're going to be finishing covering them and we'll be back. هنروح نكمل كفرهم ونرجع لكم لما يخلصوا. Make sure you give a big thumbs up. These is what our chocolate balls look like after they're decorated. So many sprinkles and nuts, aren't there? And here's a little tiny smiley face. Hi. So it might be a little messy, but after it's gonna be done, it's going to be the best dessert you've ever tasted. هنا عندنا شايفين زي كور الشوكولاتة لما حطينا عليها سبرينكلز والبندق. وإننا عندنا وش صغير حلو. أهلا بيكم. ازيكم؟ انتوا شايفين في مس شوية بس بعد ما تطلع هتبقى أحسن حاجة انتوا تدوها كده. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. We're going to put these in the refrigerator so that it hardens. ندخلوهم التلاجة لغاية ما تجمد. But before we go, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and write on those comments. بس قبل ما نروح اشتركوا في القناة، اعملوا لايك واكتبوا تحت في الكومنتات واعملوا شير. We'll see you then. And we're back. right here, our chocolates have been sitting in the refrigerator and now they're hardened. Like you can see right here, they are hardened. We're going to put them in containers and we'll be back when they're all done. زي ما انتم شايفين الحاجة هي دخلت التلاجة وطلعت زي ما انتم شايفين كلها ساقعة. هنروح نحطهم في الأطباق بتاعتهم وهنرجع لكم. فقبل ما نروح اعملوا لايك واشتراك واكتبوا تحت في الكومنتات ايه رأيكم في الحلقة بتاعتنا وادينا big thumbs up. But before we go, make sure you give a big thumbs up, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and write on those comments. Don't forget to comment. We'll be back. Stay tuned. Our chocolate biscuit nut bowls are all done. زي ما انتم شايفين هنا كرات الشيكولاته والبسكوت بالبندق خلصت. Right here, so pretty, and right here. They look and they smell so good. ريحتهم وشكلهم حلو جدا. Should I try it? Let's try it. Unwrap it slowly. One, two, three. That is so good. You really need to try this recipe. طعمها حلو جدا. لازم كلكم لما تشوفوا الفيديو تجربوا الطريقة دي. طعمها حلو جدا. طعم الشوكولاتة باين. كل حاجة طعمها حلو. You can taste the chocolate, you can taste the nuts, you can taste everything. This is a very delicious recipe. I hope you enjoyed today's video. يا رب يكون عجبكم الفيديو بتاع النهارده. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and tell me in the comments below what you think of this video. ما تنسوش تعملوا اشتراك، فعلوا الجرس، اعملوا لايك واكتبوا تحت في الكومنتات ايه رأيكم في الحلقة بتاعتنا. وسؤال كمان، خمنوا احنا هنعمل ايه الاسبوع الجاي. هنعمل اكله ولا هنعمله عصير ولا هنعمله حلويات. And don't forget to tell us in the comments, guess what we'll make next week. Will it be a food, a dessert, or a juice? And we'll see you next time on 4 Crazy Kids.